Welcome to Residence Inn by Marriott Birmingham Hoover. You can easily book your stay now by either scanning the QR code on screen or by checking the description below this video. Nestled in vibrant Birmingham, Alabama, this hotel provides a welcoming retreat for travelers focused on comfort and flexibility. Check-in starts at 4 p.m., and you have until 11 a.m. to check out, giving you a relaxed schedule no matter your travel purpose. This hotel offers a homely atmosphere plus modern amenities to make your stay enjoyable. A standout feature is its family-friendly policy. Children aged 1 to 17 stay free. This makes it an ideal choice for families wanting to explore Birmingham without extra costs. The spacious accommodations and friendly environment ensure guests of all ages feel at home. You can safely store valuables with on-site safety deposit boxes, and there's a well-stocked convenience store for quick needs. Plus, a complimentary breakfast starts your day right. So, don't miss out on a comfortable and convenient stay. Remember to scan the QR code to book your stay now.